Good morning. It is what time is it? 8:11. I'm moving into my 4th year, my master's year at the University of Exeter in the UK. My last ever move-in day. I have not finished packing. We're leaving at past, and I still need to finish packing my suitcase and get chargers and things like that, so yeah. Okay, so I've finished packing, everything's in the car. I'm now just saying goodbye to everyone, and usually at this point in the day everyone is saying bye to their pets and their siblings. I don't have any pets. I have a sibling, but I'll just yell bye to him as I go out the door. But I do have something equally as special to me as a pet that I need to say goodbye to, and that is R2-D2. I'm gonna miss you, buddy. Okay, goodbye's over. Let's go. It's about a 4-hour car journey. My dad's driving me, and I think we're going to take a coffee break, but we're going to try and get there for lunch, and we're on our way. My last ever move-in day. Okay, we've just had a quick coffee stop. How do you feel about this being the last time you have to drive me to university? Last time you have to pack the car like this.
I'm sure when you move into wherever you're going to work, you'll have even more stuff.
Oh, that's true.
And each time you move, I'm sure I'll be there.
Yeah, that's true. Because I can drive, but I don't like to. So I like to get my dad to drive me everywhere.
I'll send you the bill.
Feeling very excited to get back to Exeter. Oh, there's a sign. I think I just missed it, but there was a sign that said Exeter. I don't know how many marks it said. I think we're coming up to Stonehenge. I always pass it on the way to university because it's on the way to Devon, which is where Exeter is. So we've arrived. I need to go grab my keys for my room in a minute. My dad's just doing the pay and display for the car, and I'm going to unpack the car. Well, I say probably mostly my dad is going to unpack the car, and I need to go say hi to Cassie, my flatmate, because I've texted her and she's in at the moment, and then I think we're going to go for pizza and do a food shop. So yeah, we're here. I'm excited. Hey! How are you? So good.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm good. I missed you
too.
The shower. I just couldn't believe, like, when I walked in and I saw we had a door. I was like, I've never been so excited about a door in my life.
I am so excited. I haven't seen my bathroom or anything yet.
Really nice. Yeah, and we have mirrors.
We have full-length mirrors.
Oh my god.
I haven't seen the kitchen yet. Okay, I'm gonna do a reaction video. This is going to be my reaction. This is Cassie, by the way.
Hello.
Ooh. Oh my god, it just keeps going.
I know, it's very large.
We've got like a bar.
I know.
Oh my
god.
Okay, I need to show this.
Trying to get out of the way.
we've got stools, we've got a sofa,
And there's so
more storage. Look how much light we have in here. It looks kind of dodgy.
So like, I don't know, and then I tried to open it up and the door fell off. I was like sitting here holding it.
See you. Oh my gosh. I have so much storage. There's just no light switch. Oh. Oh, that was the light on. Okay, so there's not a lot of light in here. But that's fine, we can work with that. Oh, and we have a full-length mirror. I'm so excited about this full-length mirror. I don't think I've ever had a full-length mirror at university before. This is a first for me. I want to know what my shower looks like. Oh. Oh my gosh. Oh. Okay, there's a step on there. Okay, so this is for sure the nicest university accommodation I've ever lived in. I've got my own bathroom, which is crazy. And the shower actually has a door on it. I don't know if I've said, but the reason I'm so excited about that is because my last university room had an ensuite, but the shower, it was tiny. It was like just a toilet, a sink, and a shower head. There was no separate shower. The whole room was the shower floor. So this is a really big deal for us. Okay, I'm just gonna leave my stuff here. Okay, I'm gonna go let my dad in so he can help me unpack. The last meal before I have to cook for myself. Okay, so my dad has just left. Oh my god, I am so sweaty. We've done a food shop, we've had lunch. It's now like 5:15. I think I'm gonna start with the kitchen stuff and get that all sorted out. And then I'm gonna tackle this. Right now I can't even really get in the door, and there's stuff in the corridor as well that I couldn't even fit into my room. So that's gonna be fun. That's gonna be my job for the rest of the day. I've got a pretty swanky wardrobe this year. I'm kind of excited about it. It's all light blue over here. Here's what my wardrobe looks like from the outside. I like it. It's kind of narrow. I don't know how much I'll be able to get in there, but I've got drawers and stuff for extra storage. So this is how I packed my fake plant that I brought with me. I'm quite proud of this. This was my idea. Inside my hot water bottle case. This was my idea to stop it from smashing. See? No cracks. Just booked tickets to see it too. Who's excited? Tom's not coming, but Cassie and I are going.
We're super excited. Okay.
I've just got back to my room after dinner with my flatmates, and it was a really nice dinner, and it was so nice to see them again. I got back to my room and I found not one, but 2 spiders. And they're above my bed. There's one there. Oh my god, is it moving or am I just shaking? I'm traumatised. I have to get that off my roof. And there's another one behind it, but I'm not going to show that on camera. To be fair, one of them I think is dead because it's a bit shriveled, so that'll be okay. That doesn't bother me. It's just the thought of it dropping on my head while I try and get rid of it. So I am going to deal with these spiders like an adult. Tom did volunteer to help me. He's one of my flatmates, but because it's above my bed and because my room is just such a mess you can barely even get in, I was like, no, I'll deal with it. And now I am having to deal with it. I did it. That was traumatic. It's been a couple of hours of being away from home and I'm just falling apart. I can't do this being an adult thing. This isn't even my first year as well, that's what's embarrassing. This is my 4th year. I'm on a master's course. I should be able to deal with this by now. Okay, it's 10 o'clock. I think I've recovered enough from the spider trauma to carry on the vlog. So here's what I've unpacked so far. Made my bed. It's looking kind of sad, but I'll add some pillows and cushions on and a throw tomorrow, but I don't have the strength right now. Wardrobe mostly filled. I just need to sort out my desk. Where is that? My brain is just not working. My desk there. This is basically all I have left to do. I'm going to try and do that really quickly now. Things like decorations I will just do later in the week. So I'll probably put some string lights around there, some posters up here. I don't know. I'll do something. Oh, why? Okay, I'm now going to attempt to assemble this shelf. It's supposed to look like this. It's just a little shelf for makeup or something. I haven't decided yet what I'm going to do with it. That's a good start. But when I got it, I don't know why, I just thought it was already assembled and I thought you would just like pull these up and it would be done. But I don't know why I thought that, because it's from IKEA and it is never that simple. So I'm going to attempt to assemble this shelf. I mean, to be fair, there's only this many screws, so it can't be that hard. Okay, my first problem is that I forgot scissors, but that's alright, I am a problem solver. I'm going to get into this packet of screws. We're in. It's open. Oh my god. It's fine. It's all under control. I know what I'm doing. Okay, so first problem. I don't have a screwdriver. Oh, why? Maybe I can just do it with my hand. Do you really need screwdrivers anyway? I'll just twist it with my hand, it'll be fine. The instructions have numbers on them, but I'm not seeing any numbers. Ooh. In the worst case, I was going to say I'll just balance it without screws, but I have now seen why that will not work. Lefty loosey, righty tighty, that's all you need to know when you're assembling an IKEA thing. I really don't know what the difference is here. Oh, I see, some of the screws are longer than others. Okay, what does it say? Ah, okay, I was supposed to use the short screws. Well, that might be stuck. Actually, I think that was one of the short screws anyway. So we're doing fine, it's where it's meant to be. You're supposed to do, I think maybe if I do the diagonally opposite ones, then it will at least have a little bit of structure or integrity. I think that's a good idea. That's my engineering brain coming in. I don't do any engineering, I'm a math student. But you know, I feel like it's all kind of related. Okay, I'm understanding now why I needed a screwdriver for this. I wonder if I can do it with 2 pens. We're going to go in with 2 pens. Okay, this has just immediately not worked. Oh, it's kind of working. That's enough. You know, this is the first time I've ever built anything, I think. It's good that we're starting small. Dad, if you're watching this, I'm sorry. I honestly didn't realise this needed assembling. I would have definitely told you and how do you do it if I had known, but I'm only now realising. Last corner, we're almost there. Guys, I think I'm doing it. I think this is working. This feels kind of solid. I like twisted it a bit and then I grab my two, where's the camera? I grab my two pens. That's kind of alright, you know. It's a little bit wobbly. I have a shelf, it's more or less steady. But yeah, I'm kind of proud of that. You know, sometimes I think I might be a genius. Your new home. No, I don't like it there. I'm really proud of myself. I've achieved something today. I've built something. I've created something. Okay, I think I'm pretty much done with my desk. I've just got Jamie Oliver. I think my parents gave me that cookbook thinking I would use it to like cook, but I just use it as a laptop stand. Sorry Mum and Dad. Here's what my room is looking for now. That was not even English, my brain. Here's how my look. Am I okay? I'm fine, I'm fine. Here is how my room is looking now. Oh, and I forgot to show you the best part. This cheered me up after my trauma earlier this evening when I found this. Look at the toilet flushes. There's my toilet. There's the flush. I still haven't quite figured it out yet. I don't know why there's two. I don't know what the difference is. I really like it, other than all the spiders. And yeah, I really love my room. It is 11:02. I am finally done with everything that I wanted to do today, and I'm now just going to go get in the shower. Thank you for watching my move-in vlog. Hope it was interesting, and if there is one thing you take from this video, let it be this: when you get to your student room, look at the ceiling for spiders and get your parents to sort them out before they leave, because that was traumatizing. That's it from me. Thank you for watching, and me and my new room will see you in the next video. Good night.